Guys, I'm just laughing my ass off at some of the decals I'm finding for Jeeps. Check them out. We got it. So I'm looking for like Rubicon graphics, some new updated modern Rubicon graphics, right? And this is pretty cool. Gay, but cool, whatever. Pull to eject. Then I go down here and I'm like, oh, all right, cool graphics. That's what I need right there. But with the red outlining, so the new Jeep to go on my Rubicon. Then I look at this. This is awesome to put on your Jeep Rubicon, Sahara, Unlimited, whatever you want to put on it. This is funny as hell. If I wanted a Hummer, I'd call your mom. Then this one, this is the typical Jeep wave right there. The typical Jeep wave. Every time I'm driving a Jeep and I pass another guy with a Jeep, I always see the two fingers go up like this. Peace. Peace, guys. I have these in my Rubicon, which I'm going to be listing here soon. So stay tuned on it. This is pretty badass. That's pretty cool. You got like 7.62 rounds or 5.56 rounds or 2.23 rounds, whatever the hell you want them to. Actually, that's probably the same bullets that go in my gun right there. The FN57, which is an awesome gun. So pretty cool stuff here for the Jeep. Wanted to give this a big shout out right here and all this stuff on the Jeep world. With that said, let's go check it out. Preview alert, preview alert, preview alert, preview alert. Joe, it's preview alert. Everybody, there's Joe. Say hi, Joe. That's Joe. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Preview alert. Ready? Here it is, right out front for you guys. I drove it home last night, drove it around town. Drives great. Picked this sucker up. Super clean top to bottom. Well, it's dirty right now, but it's clean. Goof off. You know why? There's a sticker right there, and I didn't like it. Now there's a scratch on from some jackwagon previously before me, but I'm going to buff those out, so that doesn't matter. Took it off with a hairdryer and heat gun. Here we go. Quick rundown. Not going to give you the whole video because this is only a preview. We got some Incubus wheels right here. Guys, these are a 17-inch, 17 by 9 or 8, whatever the hell you want to call it, Incubus off-road wheel. Wrapped around a Nitto Ridge Grappler 35 1250 17 mud terrain tire. Or I mean Ridge Grappler. So you know what that is, right? It's a Ridge Grappler. It's not a mud terrain. It's a Ridge. It's a RT. Pretty sure. LT. Whatever the hell you want to call it. Who cares? I'm moving on with the preview of the video. LED headlights. XRC Smitty built winch. XRC winch. It's 9,500 pound winch right there with a nylon rope. You get your tow hooks in the front. You got your body armor 4x4 front bumper. You got front and rear diff covers. You got shocks. You got, I mean, it's done up. The Jeep's done up. It's a Rubicon. Missing the Rubicon graphics. It's got a huge rack up here for whatever the hell you want to put crap on. I forget the exact name of the rack. Guys, fill me in the comments right below. Help me out. What is it? Brand new oil change. And you can see, watch, ready? Rubicon. They took the Rubicon graphics off. I scanned it, checked it out. It is in fact a true real deal Rubicon. You got some really, I think the NFAB step rails right here, Nerf bars. Let's take a look inside. 6-speed alert! 6-speed alert. WeatherTech floor mat's dirty, but here we go. Really nice Jeep. You got some wild boar oh shit handles right here. You could practically roll the whole Jeep over if you're strong enough with these. Ocean handles over there, ocean handles up back, LED lights throughout, black and tan mixed combo interior. Really nice looking Jeep. Soft top, Renegade top. Nice slant right there for the Renegade top. We got right here, we got some cool controls, guys. You got your rock lights, you got your rear lights and the front lights, and let's look how bright these lights are. All right, turn the Jeep on. Well, I'll show you later. You know what they are. They're damn pube lights. So all you know, as well as everybody else does, your Rubicons come equipped with your front and rear axle locks, your sway bar, disconnect by one little switch. That's the beauty of a Rubicon. Yeah, that's it. Quick preview alert. That's it. Quick preview alert. So, hope you guys like it. This is Mark signing out with the 2011 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. Lifted. Incubus. Nitto. Best stop. Top. Alright, see you guys later. Subscribe. Merry Christmas if I don't see you, and I'll get to talk to you. You'll see a big video of this one coming up here soon. And the next, hopefully if I can get my detailer to jump on board and detail it before the holiday season starts, which shouldn't be a problem, and I'll show you it soon, alright? Oh! And we're going to show you the monster truck when it's all done. We're waiting on the tire to get back. That's a story in itself. Got a flat tire on the monster truck. I'll post a video of that here shortly too. Got a flat tire on the monster truck, and look at what this looks like, guys. You're gonna laugh. Ready? This is only a preview too, because I'm actually gonna do a full video on this right here of what happened. Oh my God! And that, my friends, is actually a 38. Holy moly! Yep. So we got a flat tire. I had to put a spare on it to begin with, to keep it. Put a Merry Christmas right there, and boom. Oh yeah, wrapped it all up. Holler at me, guys. Signing out. This is Mark. That's the Jeep. All right. Peace. See ya.